Our daily trading suggestions made a 6.2% account gain just in the month of February. Would you like to know how we did that? And would you like to gain results like that for yourself? If you would, listen up. We've got some great news for you. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 402. As you can see, a beautiful day here, and so I figured we'll come outside and make the video today in the sun. Now, a really interesting news story here in New Zealand just this week, and it actually made quite a lot of headlines, and it was about a bank who have decided to increase their term deposit rates to a massive 1.7%. Now, it was huge news in terms of that was a substantially bigger figure than almost everybody else has. And it made me think about, really what options do people have when it comes to investing? Now, obviously, property worldwide seems to be going absolutely, gangbusters, and that's fantastic. But when it comes to actually cash flow, there's still a big problem with most investments. Now, for this bank to advertise a 1.7% return per year and to make big news out of it, you can tell how poor almost all other investments are. Now, I still have a bank account over in the UK that I had when I was a kid, and it's still there from when we could go over there on holiday, pre-COVID, and that's paying me over in the UK a 0.1% gain, interest gain. So pretty pathetic. And it just made me think about, what else do we have as options? So as traders, we obviously have a massive advantage when it comes to potential gains. Now, I tallied up our results from just our daily chart trades. So this is just on our membership site, trades posted to clients on our membership site each day. And it was, we had a 6.2% account gain by taking just a 0.5% risk per trade. So very, very low risk, something that takes 5 minutes a day, and all you need to do is follow along with what we're suggesting anyway. And that's complete set and forget as well, by the way, close at the end of the week, but no management. And with some very simple trade management, clients did a lot better than that. But even as a set and forget, that was a 6.2% gain just in the month of February. Just one time frame as well, don't forget. We also post other time frame charts on our daily trading suggestions like monthly and weekly, 12 hourly, etc. We post trades on our forum site. We post that several times a day. So do other clients. And we take trades live on our webinars, plus all the other trades that clients could take themselves. So you can just see the enormous potential there from trading the Forex market, but once you know what you're doing. Now, for some people, they may not be interested in knowing how to do it, but we've got you covered as well. If you really don't have the time or the sort of will to want to know how to trade for yourselves, we've got a couple of options for you. One's called Echo Trade Copier, and that's a complete set and forget, do absolutely nothing, get your account mirrored on our master account. And that's a really good option for people. The other is our amazing trading software called Pattern Trader, TFTC Pattern Trader. Now, the Pattern Trader allows you to create trading robots based on my own strategy. And the results of that have just been absolutely tremendous. Just this week, and I'm recording this on Friday, so we've still got another whole day to go. But just this week, my live account on my Pattern Trader account is up 7.2%. Now, will it make 7.2% every week? Of course it won't. But this week it's up 7.2%, and I've done absolutely nothing with that. That's completely hands-free, apart from one trade I decided to manually close. But almost no manual ongoing input. Once you've got your bots created, and by the way, it's a simple process that takes you maybe 5 minutes. We have our own bots on there for people to look at and follow and use if they want to as well. But 7.2% just this week in 4 days. Again, very, very low and controlled risk and drawdown, which is absolutely crucial to trading. And one other thing to tell you about, in March, so in next week, on the 10th of March, which is next Wednesday, I'm holding my monthly Forex Insiders webinar. It's free to attend. Last month we did a 1 hour live session on candle patterns, and the feedback from that was tremendous. Next week, or this week when you get this video, on Wednesday the 10th, that is going to be on divergence and the power of divergence. Now, if you've got any interest in trading the Forex market, you know that I think that probably 99% of all indicators out there are completely waste of time, waste of money. But we use divergence and the power of divergence very effectively within our trading strategy. Now, if you'd like to know how we do that, and this is a free session, I'll put a link below this video on this page somewhere for you to be able to register and attend that webinar on Wednesday the 10th. It'll be a 1 hour live session. I really urge you to get there. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. If you have any interest, you really need to make the effort to try and get onto that session live. And it's going to be a good one. So I hope that helps. And if you really want to, sort of, I suppose, future-proof your own finances, you can't get excited by this 1.7% from a bank for a whole year interest rate. It's terrible. But you can get excited by the daily trades making 6.2% in a month. Or like this week with my pattern trader bots making 7.2% in a week. And so there's a big difference there. So the choice is yours, but if you'd like to jump on to the Divergence webinar, just register using the link here, and I'll see you on that session on Wednesday. Bye for now.